Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we help you get the most out of your video editing software. Today, we're diving into how to create a smooth white bar transition in Capcut using your desktop. Let's get started. First, ensure that you've already lined up the video clips you intend to use. Next, navigate over to Media and select Library. Here, you will add the white blank image. Once you've done that, position it just above your video clips. You'll want to make it short enough to cover both ends of your two video clips, just as I'm doing in the example on screen. Once you've nailed your alignment, find the mask option under the video settings in your screen's upper right. From there, look for the film strip and give it a click. The next step is to rotate your white image 90 degrees. As you can see here, you have quite a bit of freedom with this effect. Feel free to adjust the blur on each end of the image to your liking. With the image adjusted, add a keyframe on each end. Now, reposition the white image, deciding where you want the transition to start and end. From there, it's a simple matter of duplicating this setup and aligning it with the ends of your other video clips, much like I've shown here. Once you've completed this last step, you now have your white bar transition. Let's see how it looks. Fantastic! We hope this tutorial has been illuminating for you. Tune in on our next video for more exciting editing techniques and tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.